I'm at 21 Maid, Marion in Brewer. Today we're going to look at a single family home. It is 3 bedroom, 1 bath, and great if you're looking for all first floor living. It does have a full basement, but everything that you need is right there on the first floor. It's a great location. These homes were built pretty much back in the 40s through the 70s. You've got a lot of retirees in here and families. It's kind of a combination of both. It is in a great location in Brewer. You've got the Brewer Community School right down the street. You also have Brewer High School. You're also close to Northern Lights. And again, just great location. So large size driveway here. Plenty of room for parking. Neat thing is you do have a 2-car oversized garage here, and not all houses in here do have garages, so kind of a nice little perk here. Got plenty of room and storage. Back here, you do have a little workbench, and the owner's kind of left behind some things for maintenance here, but again, you have plenty of room. Beautiful backyard. And it's semi-fenced there for some privacy. Great area for relaxing if you've got kids to play there. And we're going to go ahead and take a look inside the house. You do have a keypad code as you come in, which is pretty nice. Nice little feature there. You don't have to worry about leaving your keys behind or losing them. This does go down to the basement. We'll take a look at that in a minute. But it does come immediately into the kitchen. They have done all new flooring in here. Really brighten things up. Another neat thing is usually this style ranch home had a solid wall there, and they had opened it up, so it really just makes it very nice and it flows great. So they did just install new countertop. Kind of goes there with the floor. Some new paint there and fixtures, but really have done some great upgrades here in the kitchen. And the appliances are in great shape. Got microwave, dishwasher. You got actually some ice maker there. This does look out onto the backyard. And you've got plenty of cupboard space. I kind of went fast by those, but there are some good cupboards here. You have this door here, which is great little pantry. And then this is the living room. Another feature, again, it has a heat pump, which is great for in the summertime. Gives you basically that air conditioning, and then gives you a little bit of a secondary heat source too in the winter if you're a little chilly. You can turn that on. Does have the ceiling fans as well. That's the remote for the heat pump. Great little closet here for your outerwear, although coming in that side door, you have places to put it as you're going down the basement as well. Has the hallway. This is where the 3 bedrooms are in the bathroom. Bathroom is great. They recently remodeled this as well. Got a new vanity and a great walk-in shower. And they did really cool with the tiles there. So again, somebody looking for all first floor, very, very convenient. And then you've got a really good storage closet here. And then the bedrooms, there's 2 larger ones and 1 smaller one, but they're all good size for this size house. So this would be the second largest room here. You do have a great closet there. This is considered the master bedroom, and they actually put a heat pump in this room as well. So you've got that advantage there. And then this is the smaller, but it still is a great size room. You could, put a full bed in here and still have it comfortable. So we're going to go ahead and check out downstairs. And this is the basement. And again, you've got the shelves there. And like I said, you got some hooks here if you want to put your coats here as you come in. So I like how it's warning you, you're on stairs. Don't hit your head here. It's actually pretty high. They've got a good slant on that. I'm pretty tall. So you do have the full basement. And they have converted to natural gas. So it is no longer oil. But the cool thing is, the owner does pay for all utilities here. The only thing that you're going to take care of is your snow removal in the driveway and your internet. So there is a cap on the electricity, but most people shouldn't go over that. But they are paying for the electricity, water, sewer, heat, and lawn care. Great win there. So you do have a little hobby bench down here. Could definitely put some weights down here. It does also come with a washer dryer. Nice thing for a benefit there. And somebody actually had a cute little bar back here at one point. Had some lights up here, so I'm gonna guess maybe pool table back in the day. But again, all first floor living if you needed to stay up there, especially with that walk-in shower. Great location, all utilities included. So if you are interested, visit our website. It's rentbangor.com. Click on that green box and submit the online application. We'll reach out to you.